Hi there, welcome to Shree Learning Academy. Today we are covering blockchain and open public ledger. And if you are looking for private coaching, don't forget to reach out on WhatsApp. Now let's dive in. In simple terms, a blockchain is a system that records information securely, transparently, and in a way that no one can alter it without others knowing. It is like public notebook where everyone can write, but no one can erase what has already been written. To understand this better, let's break it down step by step. So what is a blockchain? A blockchain is a chain of blocks where each block contains a set of data. This data is stored in a secure and tamper-proof manner. Once a block is added to the chain, it cannot be changed without changing all the blocks that come after it. So this makes blockchain very secure. Each block in a blockchain contains three key elements. First one, the data. This could be information about a financial transaction, a contract, or any other digital record. Hash, a unique code that identifies the block and its contents. Third one is the previous block hash. This links the block to the previous one, creating a chain. Because each block is connected to the previous one, it becomes very difficult for anyone to change a block without affecting the entire chain. What is an open public ledger? A ledger is simply a record-keeping system. In the past, businesses used physical books to record transactions. Today, most businesses use digital ledgers. A public ledger is one that is accessible to everyone, meaning anyone can view the transactions recorded in it. A blockchain functions as an open public ledger because it is accessible to everyone, that is, anyone with internet access can view the blockchain. It is decentralized, that is, no single person or company owns it. It is transparent, that is, transactions are recorded in a way that everyone can see them. So how does blockchain work as an open public ledger? When a transaction happens on a blockchain, it goes through the following process. First, the transaction is initiated. That is, a person or a company sends digital information such as Bitcoin from one account to another. Second is by verification by network. Computers called nodes on the network verify if the transaction is valid. They check if the sender has enough balance and if the transaction follows the rules. Third is transaction is added to a block. Once verified, the transaction is placed inside a block. Fourth is block is added to the chain. The block is linked to the previous block using cryptographic hashing. And the fifth one, transaction is recorded permanently. Since the blockchain is public, anyone can check the transaction happened and it cannot be changed or deleted. Example, buying a coffee with a Bitcoin. Let's say you want to buy a cup of coffee using a Bitcoin. Here's how blockchain works as an open public ledger in this case. You send Bitcoin to the coffee shop digital wallet. The network of the computer verifies if you have enough Bitcoin to pay for the coffee. Once verified, your transaction is placed in a new block. The block is added to the blockchain and the coffee shop receives the Bitcoin. The transaction is now visible to everyone on the blockchain, proving that you paid for your coffee. So the advantages of an open public ledger, that is, blockchain offers many benefits as an open public ledger. Here are some of the main advantages. Transparency. Since transactions are public, there is no room for fraud. Everyone can see what is happening, ensuring the honesty. Second is security. Once a transaction is recorded, it cannot be altered. This prevents tampering and hacking. Decentralization. No single authority controls the blockchain, making it more trustworthy and resistant to corruption. Efficiency. Transactions happen quickly and can be verified by computers without the need for a central authority. Trust. Since everything is recorded publicly, people can trust the system without needing to trust each other. Challenges of an open public ledger. Despite its many benefits, blockchain also has some challenges, that is, scalability issues. As more people use blockchain, the system can slow down because every transaction needs verification. Energy consumption. Verifying the transactions requires a lot of computer power, which uses significant energy. Privacy concerns. Even though transactions do not show personal details, they are still publicly visible, which might concern some users. Legal and regulatory issues. Governments are still figuring out how to regulate blockchain-based transactions. So blockchain as an open public ledger is a revolutionary technology that brings transparency, security, and efficiency to various industries. By allowing everyone to see and verify the transaction, it eliminates the need for trust between individuals. While there are challenges, the benefits of blockchain make it a promising tool for the future. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you are looking for personalized training, contact us on WhatsApp. We offer a range of theoretical and practical courses starting at just $99. You can also find a written explanation and a quiz on our website, link in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful videos and feel free to ask any questions in the comments. We are here to help. See you in the next one.